If you love fishing technology, then Garmin has just announced something really exciting. This is the brand new Garmin LiveScope 2, and it promises the clearest live sonar Garmin has ever made. But is it really worth upgrading? So let's take a quick first look. Garmin has improved almost every part of the LiveScope system. The new LiveScope 2 offers around 20% higher resolution than the previous generation, which means fish bait and underwater structures look much sharper and easier to identify. Garmin also says target separation has been improved, so it is easier to tell the difference between individual fish, even when they are close together. There's also less screen noise and smoother live sonar performance, making the overall viewing experience much cleaner. Another big upgrade is the increased range. The standard LiveScope 2 can now scan up to 250 feet, giving anglers more distance to search for fish without moving the boat closer. Garmin has also introduced a LiveScope 2 HD version that focuses on maximum image detail at shorter distances up to 125 feet, making it perfect for anglers who want the clearest possible picture when casting. One of the best changes is the new installation process. Unlike older systems, the new LiveScope 2 connects directly to compatible Garmin displays, so there is no separate black box required. This makes installation easier, reduces cable clutter, and gives your boat a much cleaner setup. Garmin has also added a built-in water sensor that automatically turns the sonar off when the transducer is out of the water, along with a built-in water temperature sensor for extra convenience. Garmin also says the wider sonar beam provides better coverage in forward down and perspective modes, while faster processing helps you watch fish react to your lure in real time with very low delay. If you already use Garmin's marine ecosystem, the new LiveScope 2 also works with accessories like the spy pole and Garmin's latest 360 sonar system for an even more advanced fishing setup. So is it worth buying? If you already own LiveScope Plus and are happy with its performance, the upgrade may not be essential unless you really want better image quality, simpler installation, and longer range. But if you're buying your first premium live sonar system or upgrading from an older LiveScope model, then LiveScope 2 looks like a fantastic choice. The sharper images, cleaner setup, and improved performance make it one of the most advanced live sonar systems available today. Garmin has priced the new series between about $2,000 and $2,200 US, depending on the model you choose. That's our first look at the new Garmin LiveScope 2. Let me know in the comments if you think these upgrades are worth the price, and if you would choose the standard version or the HD model. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fishing and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. That's it for this first look at the Garmin LiveScope 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and fishing gear updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.